Just got your new Barclays credit card and feeling lost in the activation maze? Don't worry, we're here to guide you through it with ease. First up, online activation, the speediest method. Head over to the Barclays credit card website. You'll find the link conveniently placed in your welcome letter or on the back of your card. Now, locate the Activate Your Card section. You'll need to enter your card number, the security code found on the back of your card, and usually the last 4 digits of your social security number. Double-check everything, hit submit, and bam! Your card should be activated in seconds. You'll typically see a confirmation message on the screen. Prefer talking to a human? No problem. Grab your card and dial the activation number printed on the sticker or on the back of your card. Follow the automated prompts, and you'll likely be asked for the same information as the online activation card number, security code, and potentially your social security number. Once activated, make a small purchase. This helps ensure the card is working correctly and familiarizes you with using it, and that's it. Your Barclays credit card is ready to roll. Happy spending, responsibly of course.